What's going on, guys? Chanel Stevens here. I'm back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how I crush 20K plus weeks with CPA affiliate marketing and what I think separates me from other affiliates and what makes me like a super affiliate compared to other people. And I just really believe it's like my actions that really separate me, and I'm going to be going into detail on like what exactly that is. And also, if you're new to the channel, what I want you to do is go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What I do is make videos on CPA affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, all types of online marketing type videos. So if you're interested in CPA marketing and you want to crush it, you want to learn from an actual super affiliate, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. I make videos all the time so you can get free value and stuff like that just by subscribing to the channel. So let me just go into depth like what I believe really separates me from other people, and I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. I think this is what separates me. Alright, and that's the 80-20 rule. Now, if you're not familiar with the 80-20 rule, basically I spend 80% of my time on money making activities and the other 20% on important stuff, but it's not necessarily correlated with me making money. So what I just want to break down is the 80% on what I think is like what exactly makes money with CPA affiliate marketing and why this separates me from everybody else. And that's because I actually focus on, let me just stand right here. I actually focused on, like, let's just say this is the 80%, right? So let's just say I focus on launching new ads. I focus on optimizing ads, and I focus on scaling ads, right? So that's three things that I feel like I do more than anybody else, and that's launching ads, optimize ads, and scaling ads. And these are really the most important things that you can possibly pay attention to and do, is because this is directly correlated with making money. This is how you make the money, and this is where I spend most of my time. So let's say you work 8 hours a day, right? So that's an 8 hours a day. If you work 8 hours, 6 need to be, you know, just on these right here, and then the other 2 can be on whatever else is in this category. And I'm gonna give you the 20% and what you should not be focusing on most of the time when you wake up throughout your day, and that's what I see a lot of affiliates working on. So this might be training, personal development, researching, like spying on other affiliates. And I believe that this is important, right? Like training, learning, you know, more about your craft and things like that. Personal development, like getting your mindset right and things like that. Researching another ads, spying on other affiliates and things like that to get, you know, more info on launch ads. But you have to focus on what's important. And in order to get to 5-figure weeks, even like 10K, even like 5K to 10K, I believe you have to focus majority of your time on launching new ads. Now, you should be launching, I say, 1 to 7 ads per day if you're just getting started. Now, these can be new ads that are to new offers, or it can be optimized ads where as you're optimizing your ads, you're seeing which ages and genders are working the best, which devices are working the best, which placements are working the best, you know, things like that. When you're diving deep into your optimization, you might be launching new ads to, you know, those optimized targets. So that can be included with that as well. Also, that's including like scaling. So that's really like what I'm doing when I'm scaling my ads. So launching and scaling is all correlated. You want to be making sure that you're doing all 3 of these things majority of the time. And I think that's what really separates me from majority of the affiliates, because most affiliates, you know, you wake up, you're doing an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours on personal development, when really you should spend no more than 2 hours a day max on all this stuff. And also, I want to add something else, and that would be like, you know, networking, because I know a lot of you guys like to networking and like masterminds and doing that stuff throughout the day, right? So you may hop on a call, with, you know, one of your affiliate buddies and things like that, and y'all just sitting there talking, but you want to just make sure like you're not doing none of this more than 2 hours per day. Or if you going like want to extend it 2 hours, let it be like at night where you're laying in the bed, you're about to like go to sleep. You know, you might add in your personal development, or do your personal development first thing in the morning. You know, an hour of video, hour audio, hour books, whatever you like, however you like to get your personal development. But I just think like a lot of people that's just getting started, they spend too much time on this stuff, or they spend too much time researching and spying, when really when you see me go through my examples on finding hot affiliate offers, it literally takes me like 10, 20, 30 minutes. And also you don't have to do all this stuff like research and inspiring yourself. Or let's say, what's another thing? 20%, you know, working on landing pages. What else? Writing emails. Right? Creating ads. Like those are all 20% activities. The only 3 things that's really making you money is this: launching new ads, optimizing those assets, and scaling ads by launching new ones to, you know, optimize targets. And I just wanted to just basically break that down, because a lot of people just don't focus on what's important. You focusing on all this stuff majority of your day, and that's making you be a small-time affiliate. If you're not launching new ads, you don't have a ton of assets running, you're not optimizing, you're not figuring out which data is working best for you, if you're not scaling, you know, driving more traffic, upping your budget, things like that, you're not going to be a super affiliate, because you're too busy focused on training. You may be watching too many training videos per day, too many personal development. You thinking you need you need a mindset shift, and I tell you to focus on that, but you only need 30 minutes of personal development a day, no more than an hour, I believe. Research and spying. I mean, if this stuff is taking you more than 2 hours a day, you need to outsource it. Okay, Upwork, Fiverr, people that'll make ads for you, it's people that'll optimize and make landing pages for you for your specific offer. Networking and masterminds, you know, just put all that stuff to the side. At the end of the day, this stuff can help you, it's important, but you know, it's not critical to your success. What's critical to your success is making new ads, you know, and launching new ads, optimizing it, and not creating ads. Like launching, when I mean creating ads, what I mean is like your actual like finding, like, you know, creating ads. You want to create ads, but you also, you know, this is like, you know, finding ads and things, like making the actual ads like on Canva, or, you know, if it's taking you a long time to design and stuff like on Photoshop, or you're clipping the videos together from like YouTube or something like that for a video ad, and you know it's taking you a long time to do that stuff, outsource this stuff. Outsource creating video ads, outsource creating picture ads to graphic designers and things like that. Outsource writing emails to copywriters and things like that, and landing pages. Outsource this stuff if it's really taking you that long, because this is not a money making activity. It can help you make money, but it's not directly correlated. The only thing that's gonna help you get conversions is launching ads, because this is what's driving the traffic. And you know, the most important, what I always preach is launching ads, because driving traffic is the most important thing that you want to do when it comes to CPA affiliate marketing. All right, guys, so basically, if you stick to this 80-20 rule, I believe that you can become a super affiliate, because really that's all there is to it, is just focusing on the most important stuff and keeping the less important stuff less important throughout the day. So like I said, if you got an 8-hour work day, 2 hours need to be spent on this stuff, less than, and the rest of the 6 hours need to be focused on this and getting your ads scaled up and getting, you know, more data, more traffic coming to the offer, because that's what's going to generate you the actual income. All right. And this is what I believe separates me from the average affiliate, is because I focus on what's important when it comes to CPA affiliate marketing. So do like I do if you want to be a super affiliate, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.